If you want to get best lip balm, according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have NIVEA Lip Care. NIVEA Lip Care is a great product that provides a high level of moisture to the lips, making them soft and smooth. It contains natural ingredients such as shea butter and jojoba oil, which work together to nourish and hydrate the lips. The formula is not greasy or sticky, which makes it comfortable to wear throughout the day. It also has a pleasant scent that is not overpowering. One of the best things about this product is that it comes in a variety of flavors, so you can choose the one that best suits your preference. Overall, NIVEA Lip Care is a great choice for anyone looking for an effective lip balm that will keep their lips healthy and moisturized. Moving on to the next at number 2 with L'Occitane Ultra Rich Lip Balm. L'Occitane Ultra Rich Lip Balm is an exceptional product that provides intense hydration and nourishment to dry and chapped lips. It is made with a blend of natural ingredients, including shea butter, beeswax, and almond oil, which work together to soothe, protect, and repair the lips. The formula is thick and creamy, but not greasy, which makes it comfortable to wear for an extended period. It also has a subtle fragrance that is pleasing to the senses. One of the unique features of this lip balm is that it comes in a small, compact tin, which is convenient to carry around in a purse or pocket. Overall, L'Occitane Ultra Rich Lip Balm is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality lip balm that provides long-lasting moisture and nourishment to their lips. The number 3 position is held by Burt's Bees Lip Balm. Burt's Bees Lip Balm is a popular product that is known for its all-natural ingredients and effectiveness in providing long-lasting moisture to dry and chapped lips. The balm is made with beeswax, coconut oil, and sunflower seed oil, which work together to soothe and hydrate the lips. The formula is lightweight, non-greasy, and has a pleasant scent that is not overpowering. One of the best things about this product is that it comes in a variety of flavors, including classic beeswax, pomegranate, and vanilla bean, among others, making it easy to find one that suits your preference. The packaging is also eco-friendly, which is a bonus for those who are environmentally conscious. Overall, Burt's Bees Lip Balm is a great choice for anyone looking for a natural and effective lip balm that will keep their lips healthy and moisturized. Next at number 4 we have LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask. The LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask is a luxurious product that provides intense moisture and nourishment to dry and cracked lips. The mask is formulated with a blend of natural ingredients, including vitamin C and antioxidants, that work together to heal and rejuvenate the lips overnight. The texture is thick and creamy, but not heavy or greasy, which makes it comfortable to wear throughout the night. The product also has a pleasant scent that is not overpowering. One of the unique features of this mask is that it comes with a small applicator, which makes it easy to apply the product evenly and hygienically. In the morning, the lips feel soft, supple, and well hydrated. Overall, the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality lip product that provides intense hydration and repair to their lips while they sleep. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Bioderma Lipstick. Bioderma Lipstick is an excellent product that provides long-lasting hydration and protection to dry and chapped lips. The stick is formulated with a blend of natural ingredients, including shea butter, beeswax, and canola oil, which work together to nourish and soothe the lips. The texture is lightweight and non-greasy, which makes it comfortable to wear throughout the day. It also has a subtle fragrance that is not overwhelming. One of the best things about this product is that it is formulated for sensitive skin, making it suitable for people with delicate or allergy-prone skin. The stick is also compact and easy to carry around, which is convenient for on-the-go use. Overall, Bioderma Lipstick is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality lip balm that provides long-lasting hydration and protection to their lips without causing any irritation or sensitivity. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.